Hi, I'm Dean and I'm the owner of Pets Corner, and this is Coco. As the home of natural pet food, Pets Corner develops many of the foods ourselves, but also we work with specialist partners. That means you and your pets get the best possible foods in class. And these foods are so good and made to such a high quality, Coco and I taste them ourselves so that you don't have to. So this is Greenacres. It's an extruded food and it was one of the first that we developed. We've been selling this since about 2008, and the real special thing about Greenacres was it was the first food ever to be made with naturally preserved meat meal. The first food in the UK, possibly the world, and we actually developed the natural meat meal market. A lot of foods that you buy at the moment will say no added artificial ingredients, but what the manufacturers are doing are using things like chemically preserved meat meal in the product. Greenacres doesn't, and all of our foods now are made with naturally preserved meat meals. So let's give it a go. So here's the crunchy kibble in its small bite, just for Coco and me. Isn't that nice? Very nice. Crunchy. It's lamb flavour, this one. You can taste the lamb in there. I mean, there's no rosemary, which I like, but there we go. Coco loved it.